Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In this tutorial we will be talking more about the averages and specifically the median. So what is the median? The median of the data is the value in the middle when the data is arranged in ascending order. It is basically arranging all the data that you have in increasing order and then choosing the middle value. So we're going to solve a couple of examples just to make things clear. The example says calculate the median of the following data sets. So set A has 8, 9, 13, 19, 8, 15, and 8. So the first thing is to arrange them in ascending order, which is 8, 8, 8, 9, 13, 15, and 19. Now, we need to calculate the median. So count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you add 1 to 7 and divide by 2. So 7 plus 1 by 2 is 4. So the fourth value is our median, which is the number 9. So for set A, our median is the number 9, and that is how you can calculate a median. Let's solve example B. We have 5, 8, 3, 11, 9, 6, 8, 6. First step, arrange in ascending order. So we're going to have 3, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 9, and 11. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add 1 to 8 and divide by 2, which is 4.5. Now, 4.5 is not a number of elements, so we say fourth and fifth value since 4.5 is between 4 and 5. Now let's calculate the median. The fourth and the fifth values are 6 and 8, so we add 6 and 8 and we divide them by 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 is our median for set B. And the rule says for an even number of values, the median is the mean of the middle pair of values, which was the fourth and the fifth value, which is specifically 6 and 8, and their sum over 2 gives us the median. And this is how you can calculate the median of a group of data.